So you want to make a perfect Kazoopy's grinder at home? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make an Italian. Well, the first thing you start with is fresh bread. We slice it in half, and then we start with our Kazoopy sauce. Can't tell you what's in the Kazoopy sauce, and the truth is you're just going to have to come and get a Kazoopy's grinders to get some. Fresh sliced onions, green pepper, and mushroom. A couple slices of provolone, and then we're going to add the meats. We start with some pepperoni. We're getting every bit of the bread covered. No one likes a bread-only bite. We're going to add a portion of ham and then our Italian sausage. And there's a perfect Kazoopy's Italian grinder, and now it's time to bake it. Here's a good hack for you. When you bake your bread, pull it out a little early, because what happens is after you put all your toppings on, you get it built up and you put it back in the oven, while those meats and veggies are heating up and the cheese is melting, your bread's going to finish baking. Just good enough seems to be the norm. And we just don't like that around here at Kazoopy's, because we like doing our best. We look for that same philosophy in partners that has a vested interest in Kazoopy's. And that's why we choose Honor Credit Union. They're a true partner to Kazoopy's in our success.